Hi, I'm Dr. Tatiana Khadorovsky, and I coordinate all the algebra and pre-calculus classes at Hunter College. And I have a math problem for you today. In this problem, we're asked to simplify this rational expression. If you want to try it out yourself, you can go ahead and pause now and then see if you got it right. So for this expression, we want to simplify, and at first it may be very tempting to cancel that x squared in the numerator and that x squared in the denominator. But that unfortunately is not correct. What we can do here is as follows. We are first going to collect the like terms in the numerator. That's how we got that -2 there, by combining the like terms of 3 and -5 and getting -2. And now what we have is a quadratic expression in the numerator and a quadratic expression in the denominator, each of which we can factor into two linear factors. And that's what we do next. We're going to factor the numerator and we're going to factor the denominator. You can always double check your factoring by multiplying everything out and seeing that you get back the same thing. And now that we have factored, we see that we have a common factor in the numerator and of x plus 2 and the denominator. So now we can cancel that x plus 2 from the numerator and denominator. And what we are left with is the final answer, x minus 1 over x plus 3, which is the final simplified version of this rational expression. So if you want to practice with algebra, register for our 2025 Summer Math Momentum workshops. Whether your milestone is 101 EN, 101, or level 1, hit the ground running in all your math courses. And upon successful completion of these workshops, you can be granted a one-time special approval to take the next math class up this fall. All right, so see you this summer.